If you use package repositories to manage packages or container images, feeds will feel very familiar. Now in ProGet, repositories are called feeds. They serve the same role, but they're structured more intentionally to help you organize packages, teams, and workflows. Now in this video, I'll show you how feeds work in ProGet, what you should know before you start creating them, and how feeds can support your package management as your usage grows. So what exactly is a feed? Simply put, a feed is like a package repository in ProGet. With feeds, you can store and serve packages, container images, and other build artifacts. If you worked with repositories and other products, picking up feeds in ProGet will feel intuitive from the start. One of the strengths of ProGet is how feeds help you organize your repositories. You can separate packages by format like NuGet, npm, or Docker, and by purpose or teams such as development versus production workflows. This approach makes it natural for you to create multiple focus feeds, each with a specific role. Plus, there's no limit on how many feeds you can set up. As you create a feed, you define its role up front, starting with the package format, which determines the feed's API. You also choose the feed usage, which could be for internal packages your team builds or open source consumption, for example. Simply name your feed, and you'll be taken directly to it after creating it. Your feed usage choice shapes how your feed behaves and which options are available. Each feed also gets its own API endpoint, with the feed name included in the URL. If you rename the feed later, the endpoint will change, but you can set alternate names to keep your existing integrations working. To keep feeds focused on their intended role, permissions are set at the feed level. For example, you could restrict junior developers to only view and download packages. And when you work with multiple feeds, this enables workflows like package promotion, proxying and curated access, and policy or compliance controls. You can see these workflows in action in our other videos linked in the description. Feeds are deliberately designed and separated, so each feed you create should have a clear purpose with its format, usage, and permissions intentionally defined. Now with that understanding, you're ready to start creating your first feed in ProGet. You can check the description for links to our docs to help you get started with feeds, permissions, and other features.